Which of the following languages is more suited to a structured program? A. PL1, B. Fortran, C. Basic, D. Pascal. The correct answer is Pascal. A computer-assisted method for the recording and analyzing of existing or hypothetical systems is A. Data transmission, B. Data flow, C. Data capture, D. Data processing. The correct answer is data flow. The brain of any computer system is A. ALU, B. Memory, C. CPU, D. Control unit. The correct answer is CPU. What difference does the fifth generation computer have from other generation computers? A. Technological advancement, B. Scientific code, C. Object-oriented programming, D. All of the above. The correct answer is technological advancement. Which of the following computer language is used for artificial intelligence? A. Fortran, B. Prolog, C. C, D. COBOL. The correct answer is Prolog. The tracks on a disk which can be accessed without repositioning the RW heads is A. Surface, B. Cylinder, C. Cluster, D. All of the above. The correct answer is cylinder. Which of the following is the 1s complement of 10? A. 01, B. 110, C. 11, D. 10. The correct answer is 01. A section of code to which control is transferred when a processor is interrupted is known as A. M, B. SVC, C. IP, D. MDR. The correct answer is M. Which part interprets program instructions and initiate control operations? A. Input, B. Storage unit, C. Logic unit, D. Control unit. The correct answer is control unit. The binary system uses powers of A2, B10, C8, D16. The correct answer is 2. A computer program that converts assembly language to machine language is A. Compiler, B. Interpreter, C. Assembler, D. Comparator. The correct answer is assembler. The time required for the fetching and execution of one simple machine instruction is A. Delay time, B. CPU cycle, C. Real time, D. Seek time. The correct answer is CPU cycle. The time for which a piece of equipment operates is called A. Seek time, B. Effective time, C. Access time, D. Real time. The correct answer is effective time. Binary numbers need more places for counting because A. They are always big numbers, B. Any no of 0s can be added in front of them, C. Binary base is small, D. 0s and ls have to be properly spaced apart. The correct answer is binary base is small. Which access method is used for obtaining a record from a cassette tape? A. Direct, B. Sequential, C. Random, D. All of the above. The correct answer is sequential. Any type of storage that is used for holding information between steps in its processing is A. CPU, B. Primary storage, C. Intermediate storage, D. Internal storage. The correct answer is intermediate storage. A name applied by Intel Corp to high-speed MOS technology is called A. HDLC, B. LAP, C. HMOS, D. SDLC. The correct answer is HMOS. A program component that allows structuring of a program in an unusual way is known as A. Correlation, B. Coroutine, C. Diagonalization, D. Kern. The correct answer is Coroutine. The radian of a number system. A is variable. B has nothing to do with digit position value. C equals the number of its distinct counting digits. D is always an even number. The correct answer is equals the number of its distinct counting digits. Which type of system puts the user into direct conversation with the computer through a keyboard? A. Real-time processing. B. Interactive computer. C. Batch processing. D. Time sharing. The correct answer is interactive computer. The term referring to evacuating the content of some part of the machine is known as A. Dump. B. Enhancement. C. Down. D. Compiler. The correct answer is dump. A single packet on a data link is known as A. Path. B. Frame. C. Block. D. Group. The correct answer is frame. The process of communicating with a file from a terminal is A. Interactive. B. Interrogation. C. Heuristic. D. All of the above. The correct answer is interrogation. A common boundary between two systems is called A. Interdiction. B. Interface. C. Surface. D. None of the above. The correct answer is interface. The examination and changing of single bits or small groups of his within a word is called A. Bit. B. Byte. C. Bit manipulation. D. Bit slice. The correct answer is bit manipulation. Which computer has been designed to be as compact as possible? A. Mini. B. Supercomputer. C. Microcomputer. D. Mainframe. The correct answer is microcomputer. Which method is used to connect a remote computer? A. Device. B. Dial-up. C. Diagnostic. D. Logic circuit. The correct answer is dial-up. How many bit code is used by Murray code for teleprinter machines? A. 4. B. 5. C. 9. D. 25. The correct answer is 5. The symbols used in an assembly language are A. Codes. B. Mnemonics. C. Assembler. D. All of the above. The correct answer is mnemonics. The 2's complement of a binary no is obtained by adding to its 1's complement. A. 0. B. 1. C. 10. D. 12. The correct answer is 1. A systems programming language for microcomputers in the Intel family is A. PLC. B. PLCT. C. PLM. D. PLA. The correct answer is PLM. A datum that indicates some important state in the content of input or output is A. Sequence. B. Sentinel. C. SIO. D. Sibling. The correct answer is Sentinel. Which is a non-standard version of a computing language? A. Prolog. B. APL. C. Army. D. PL1. The correct answer is Army. Which of the following is still useful for adding numbers? A. EDSAC. B. ENIAC. C. Abacus. D. UNIVAC. The correct answer is Abacus. The average time necessary for the correct sector of a disk to arrive at the read-write head is dash, dash, underscore. A. Downtime. B. Seek time. C. Rotational delay. D. Access time. The correct answer is rotational delay. A number that is used to control the form of another number is known as A. Map. B. Mask. C. Mumtosa. D. Marker. The correct answer is mask. A general-purpose single-user microcomputer designed to be operated by one person at a time is A. Special-purpose computer. B. Kips. C. M. D. PC. The correct answer is PC. ASCII stands for A. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. B. All-Purpose Scientific Code for Information Interchange. C. American Security Code for Information Interchange. D. American Scientific Code for Information Interchange. The correct answer is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Which device of computer operation dispenses with the use of the keyboard? A. Joystick. B. Light pen. C. Mouse. D. Touch. The correct answer is mouse. The microcomputer, Intel MCS80, is based on the widely used Intel A8080 microprocessor, B8085 microprocessor, C8086 microprocessor, D8082 microprocessor. The correct answer is 8080 microprocessor. Which is a machine-oriented high-level language for the GEC 4080 series machines? A. Logo. B. Snowball. C. Babbage. D. Algol. The correct answer is Babbage. A program that is employed in the development, repair or enhancement of other programs is known as A. System software. B. Software tool. C. Applications program. D. Utility program. The correct answer is software tool. Any storage device added to a computer beyond the immediately usable main storage is known as A. Floppy disk. B. Hard disk. C. Backing store. D. Punched card. The correct answer is backing store. Which output device is used for translating information from a computer into pictorial form on paper? A. Mouse. B. Plotter. C. Touch panel. D. Card punch. The correct answer is plotter. The list of coded instructions is called A. Computer program. B. Algorithm. C. Flowchart. D. Utility programs. The correct answer is computer program.